everyone, welcome back to another one of Malachi and Micah's videos. Now today's a special day for me, since the 28th, which means it's my birthday, and I got quite a few good presents. Well, they're all actually pretty good, but one of my with my mom, what she does is that when it's someone's birthday in this house, what she does is that she buys the persons whose birthday presents, and if there's another child in the house, like my brother, Micah, she'd also buy him presents too. And one of his is still actually on the way, so we're hoping it'll get into the post today or tomorrow. Alright, now we got some new stuff that I'm going to have to show you, But first off, I think you might remember these. Well, the DHL, I'm very sure I did. Oh, and on the Emirates, it's something good. If you can look at the front, I'm not sure if you know from our last video showing the Emirates that the front of it was all like scratched up and stuff. Well, we got this thing called Tipex to cover it up, and yeah, this looks brand new. Alright, now let's start with the new presents. First off, let's start with number 1, which is actually a pretty good plane. I'm not sure if it's old or no, and yeah, I think it's American Airlines. I don't know if it's called American Airlines, if it's just called American. It's a nice silver plane with the American flag on the back. Well, not the whole one, but yeah, it's just a nice plane in general. Pretty detailed plane. Alright, now we move on to our next one. I think this actually, it's a nice colour. I think it's pretty good, and here we go. It's Air Canada plane in green. First off, when I unwrapped it, I was kind of confused why I was in green, but yeah. I feel it here is kind of like rough on the sides, and it feels really smooth. I think it's one of the same models as the American one here. I think it's the same, really. Yeah, so you got this nice turquoise. I don't know what colour really is. Yeah, it's nice colour. Yeah. Alright, let's look at the rest. You see the end bit? Come with a stand, but we just put it to the side. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the end of this one. It's the exact same, really. Alright, now I'm going to show you another cargo plane to go with our DHL, which is an old one. It went out of business. I'm not sure why, but it's pretty old. And what I've learned is that with model planes, if a plane stops running, then it gets more and more expensive to buy. Now, let's show you, I'm not sure how much it cost. A very, very detailed FedEx Airbus. You got FedEx Express, as it say, I think, the world on time. Got the FedEx at the back. Pretty cool. I can cut those as lights up there, as it might be a cabin or something. I don't know. Alright, I think we're done with the FedEx. So, we only got 2 left. This one, is a nice shade of blue, but I'm just going to say it straight away. There. It's a KLM Boeing 747. It says something here. What was it? Royal Dutchman Airlines. I don't know what that is. It says Air France on the side. Alright. Sorry about that. Let's finish off KLM now. So you got a Luxembourg flag there. Yeah. KLM. Yeah. Now the last one is a very, very, very detailed plane. I think before you see its livery, I think they did this livery to celebrate its 50th birthday. Now, it should be pretty simple now to think of it, but I think its 50th birthday from today may have been 3 years ago, a year or 2 years ago. Alright, let's go straight down. Alright, you can see here is our last plane. It's the Singapore Airlines. New livery, yeah. Pretty good. Singapore Airlines. I can look at the bottom. Yeah, this one came on the stand too. Got the logo there. I think is that it? Yeah, it's it. And I think that leads up to the end of our video. Oh wait, one more thing. There's something really good that my brother has given me. I like it. I think he made it a few days ago. I'm not sure. But he made me this. Pretty kind of him. I think he took one of the sweets in the sweet box. Keep over there. So you got a little snowman there and a big one. And an angel, tree, smiley face, flower. Yeah, pretty good. And this is from Micah. Alright. Yeah, I think that now leads up to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe and watch more. Alright, thank you, bye. Is it better?